this is Anahata Ananda, your shamanic healer and soul guide, coming to you from breathtaking Sedona, Arizona. Thank you so much for inquiring about the Shamangelic courses that I offer here in Sedona. And this is the perfect classroom for this kind of material. And I really appreciate that you're wanting to learn and grow and expand. I love teaching, and in these courses you get practical tools, handouts, exercises, next steps, and it's a really valuable and profound learning environment. And so there's lots of different courses that I offer here. And one of them is the Empowerment and Awakening Weekend. And this is like anyone can benefit from this. This is like Awakening and Empowerment 101. 10 different courses where we just dive deep into all of these different practices that really can help you live a thriving, balanced, alive, conscious life. And I'm also known as kind of like the healer's healer and the teacher's teacher. And the next set of courses that I offer are fabulous for those people that are interested or passionate about the healing arts. And if you've kind of already maybe taken Reiki, or you're just interested in it, or you're already a practitioner and you want to expand those things that you offer for your clients, then the Healing Tools and Modalities is a fantastic multiple days of exploring different healing tools and modalities that can really give you the opportunity to practice hands-on shamanic emotional clearing things, guided visualizations, all kinds of different techniques that will really expand and enhance your ability as a healer or as a teacher or as a guide. I also have multiple days of just shamanic wisdom teachings. If you're kind of curious and passionate about learning a little bit more about shamanism, then we have this Native American land as our classroom to explore shamanic wisdom teachings, nature wisdom teachings, animal spirit guides, and more. And there's also one of my favorite modalities that I teach how to facilitate, and that is Shamangelic breathwork. It's a really deep, profound ceremony that helps people real deep cathartic release and spiritual awakening. And so if, there's a few that are really called to learn how to facilitate that modality. And so these are intimate settings. I take a small group because I like to work really closely with an intimate group setting, so they tend to book up in advance. I recommend you check the calendar for the next dates, and if there's still a spot, I would grab it so that you can experience this journey with me. And they tend to book up with a wait list, so please feel free to inquire if you have any questions, and know that I will absolutely help you heal and grow and awaken and provide you with practical tools for yourself, your personal life, and also in your other areas of life as well. So check out the website. Let us know if you have any questions, and I look forward to learning and growing with you here in Sedona in this classroom.